Hi guys, it's Nitu and I'm here with a hot pink summery look but also really cool by Sonamoo, well inspired by Sonamoo, and in particular inspired by Nahyun from Sonamoo, who is this really beautiful girl, and she's a singer and dancer like all the other girls, and I really like their new music video Cushion, so this is inspired by that, and I think it's a really cool and also kind of cute and trendy look for summer this year. I will link the video Cushion by Sonamoo down below. It's really hot right now, so I cannot control the frizz in my hair in case you haven't noticed. But if you want to know how I did the makeup, then please keep watching. So as usual, the first thing I'm going to do is put the NARS Creamy Concealer on. Mine's in Honey. I'm actually going to put a little down to use as a highlighter too. And just try to make my face look more voluminous. It's been so hot these days, so I've generally been using just CC cream or primer. I have a CC cream primer kind of thing by Innisfree, which doesn't have much coverage, but because in this video, of course, the girls' skins, like the girls, have such flawless, beautiful, perfect, radiant skin, I'm going to use the Precious Mineral BB Cream by Etude House. This is the Cotton Fit one, and I have the shade number 3. Now, just because it's summer and I want all this makeup to stay on, I'm going to use the HD High Definition Powder, the Finish Powder by Makeup Forever.
And just put, a light dusting of that.
And I'm going to use a peachy kind of bronzer. So this is the one I always use actually, and it is more kind of peachy toned, but for my skin tone. This is number 2 Poudre de Soleil by Yves Saint Laurent.
So I'm just going to put a little, around the sides and just to shade a little. Actually, this is more for people who have rounder faces. I'm not trying to emphasize my cheekbones or anything like that, so I'm trying to make my face look rounder.
I am now going to take a lighter shade eyeshadow, pretty white color, and highlight the brow bone. I'm going to use a peachy pink kind of eyeshadow. This one is by Peripera. I believe it's number 7, and I've had this for a while now, but I'm actually going to use a peachy pink color on the under eye area, just around here. I don't know if I mentioned that this is a sparkly eyeshadow as well. It's like this. You can go for one that's a bit more pink as well if you want more. Now if you have a brown skin color toned eyeshadow, then you can put it all over your top lid. I don't have that. I'm just going to leave my lid bare, my upper eyelid bare. But on the bottom lid, on this part, brown, I'm going for a brownish red kind of. Okay, so I applied a red brown here like this, and on this side as well like this, and yeah, now I'm using the Etude House black eyeliner, and I'm just going to underline the top and the bottom. You can tightline too. I actually don't want to tightline because she does tightline though, but I don't want to. And it won't look the same on me as it does on her. Just do a very thin line on the bottom, and I'm going to use the liquid black eyeliner for the top. But if you want, because she actually does this, is that she does tightline the top as well. Now I'm using the Dolly Wink black liquid eyeliner pen, and I'm going to make a very thin or a pretty thin line on the top, and it's going to have a little bit of a flick as well. And now I'm just going to apply mascara. Use a really black, strong mascara, or you can also apply false eyelashes. Try to make your eyes look more wide-eyed. Oh, this is the Jumbo Mascara by Innisfree. Okay, and they are wearing a bit of blush, kind of sideways like this, and so I'm going to apply this pink corally blush, and I'm just gonna apply a really small amount. This is a liquid kind of blush, but it's also for your lips. It's called the Etude House Color Lips Fit, and in the ad, it's the one that Sully was wearing, PK003 Fit Pink. I find that on me it works better as a blush than on your lips. It is a bit drying, but it's okay as a matte kind of lip color as well. Okay, I don't really have the right lip color that she's wearing, but I'm going to use this coral color. So this is the Dear Darling lipstick by Etude House. It's a pink coral color, and it's OR223. And so I'm gonna apply this first, but I don't have exactly the right color that she has. And so this is a corally pink color. I do like it. It's not exactly what she's wearing in the video, but I'm going to put another color over. This is the Sweet Jelly lipsticks by Etude House, and this is the light pink JPK001, and it's a tint. So I'm going to put this over. Okay, so this is it. It's now more similar to what it looked like, or it looks like in the video and in the picture as well. It's difficult to say these names, but I was really inspired by Nahyun, and I'm probably not pronouncing it right. But anyways, that girl is beautiful. I want to give you a close-up of the eye. Okay, so if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!